Alright guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about how to create your own cleaning routine. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know how I feel super strongly about a cleaning routine. Honestly, my cleaning routine is the only thing that makes me be successful cleaning because I have something to physically look at. Tyler knows what my cleaning routine is, and it's almost like a permanent checklist or to-do list, so I can feel a little calmer about all the stuff that has to get done, and because everything's been assigned a time and when it's going to get done. So my goal for today is that this video will help you create a routine that's completely custom to you and your family and is going to be a huge key to being successful with cleaning and make you feel like you kind of have things under control a little bit better. So I'm gonna go through 4 steps. I broke it into 4 steps because I think 4 is not that many, and also they're the most important things, and it's gonna give you a really great end result. So I think that this video will help you figure out a routine that's going to be completely custom to you and is going to be something that you can stick to and works well with your lifestyle and your routine. So let's get into the 4 steps and help you create a routine that's going to be best suited for you and give you the highest possibility of success. Okay, so my first piece of advice before you start out creating your routine is to do a trial week. So what I mean by a trial week is take 1 week and write down each day what you get done and what you would have liked to get done. So maybe you didn't get a couple things done, still write those down because that's your goal. So you want to make sure you write down what you got done and what you didn't get done. The other thing you want to write down is the time that you did those things. Not necessarily how long they took, but is it better for you to do cleaning at night? Is it better for you to do it in the afternoon when your kids are at school? Are you someone that likes to get all of your cleaning done first thing in the morning? Whatever it is, write down what you did, what you didn't get to, and when the best time to clean is. Continuing with that, once you have the trial week written down, put everything that you did in categories based on frequency. So I did that, and I now have a master cleaning list that has all of the things I want to get done in the category. So this is what you want to kind of create first. It doesn't have to be something that's like a fancy chart like this that I have laminated, but this is just now for my reference, more for the long range stuff. But definitely write this in a notebook, on a scrap paper, whatever, and put those tasks that you did and that you didn't get to do in categories based on frequency. So you want to do like daily, weekly. I have monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Your longer ones can be completely up to how you want to do it, but that's just kind of how I broke it up. But this is going to be really important because it's giving you what your goals are, and you're always going to be able to look back to this and make sure some of these things that are further out got done. Okay, so the second thing that you have to do is decide if you're going to A, do all of your weekly tasks 1 day a week, or B, do all of your weekly tasks throughout the week. So assigning them each a day, or even if you don't have it that structured, whereas Monday you do this, Tuesday you do this, Wednesday you do this, you just know you're only gonna do 1 task a day. If you've watched my previous cleaning routine videos that are linked below, the weekly video shows exactly that is how I do my routine. So instead of doing it all in 1 day, I have assigned all of my weekly tasks 1 day of the week, and that's when I do them. But when Tyler and I first got married, we lived in a camper, and the camper was a lot smaller, and so the time it took to complete my weekly chores was a lot less, and so I did do everything 1 day. The thing I realized by doing that is I didn't like that because I didn't want that when we lived in the house, because I always felt so guilty if I did something fun on Saturdays instead of cleaning, and then now I'm behind for the rest of the week. So I definitely knew that for me in the house, I wanted to assign each chore a day of the week. And so far that's been really successful for me, but you gotta see what your schedule looks like, how much cleaning, how much time it takes you to do, and figure out what option is best for you. So 1 day a week, or spread the chores out throughout the week. to creating a routine is to document it. So write it down, the exact routine that you plan to follow. Having something physically, you can have it in your phone too if you're someone that likes things more electronically filed versus, on piece of paper. But whatever works best for you, write it down and have it documented. That way you're not going to forget. You'll always have something to reference, and just having it there physically is going to be increasing your chances of success. So because I do mine one chore a day throughout the week, I created a weekly schedule for myself. So this app has all the days of the week, and it has the daily tasks and each task, the weekly chore that I'm planning on doing each day. If you, in step 2, decided that what works best for you in your house, your schedule, is to do all of your weekly chores on one day, then you could honestly just stick with something that's like this, versus, because all you're gonna do is these weekly tasks on one day. So you don't need it broken out by the day. You can just have one master chart. So I will have both of these PDFs linked below if you want to see these a little bit more detail, and I'll do like zoom in shots of them. But definitely have something on paper or in your phone that says exactly what you do, when you plan on doing it, so that you can always reference it and you're not trying to base things off memory, because it's not going to happen. My last and final step to a really killer cleaning routine is to make your plans and your lists visible to everybody in the house. Anybody that lives with you that you are hoping would maybe contribute to cleaning, or someone who contributes to the mess, make this visible for them. Honestly, a lot of times people want to help. Your husband wants to help. Your kids would be fine helping, but they don't know what needs to get done. Most importantly for husbands, they just don't know. They don't know what you're wanting them to clean. I know Tyler would easily help, but he always says, I need to know when you need help or what you need help with, or I'm not able to help because I don't know what you want me to do. So that goes back to having this physically, or even if you don't have your whole chart physically, but each day, if you just write a to-do list of all the things you're trying to clean, wipe the counters, whatever you have that to-do list somewhere visibly, whether that's your kitchen counters or the entryway or a command station that you might have in your house. Have it there, because if he has time or someone in your house has a couple minutes and they see that you're trying to get a lot done, they'll be able to look and see, oh, she needed the dishwasher unloaded, and they might go unload the dishwasher and cross that off for you. So it's very important to try to get everybody on board, or your schedule is going to fail, because sometimes it's impossible to do it all on yourself. So it's important that you kind of share all the responsibilities. And I struggle with asking for help. It's not easy for me. And so this way, he can just see that I'm trying to get a lot done. Here's my list, and he can fill in and help where he can. So that's why I think something like this is important, or even just writing a to-do list that's visible too can really help include everybody in the cleaning. As far as creating a killer cleaning routine, that's honestly all that goes into it. It's not hard to create a cleaning routine. It just takes a little bit of prep and writing a couple things down, and you're gonna be a lot more likely to be successful. I am like a huge promoter of having a routine. Some people, routines just don't work for them and they just fly by the seat of their pants. I like a routine. So if you're someone who just likes to fly by the seat of your pants, by all means, if that works for you, good for you, but I can't do that. And so if you're someone that likes a routine, hopefully this video was very helpful and you're able to create awesome routines for yourself. Let me know in the comments if this helped you and how you're doing with your new cleaning routine. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and definitely check out my other cleaning routine videos that I just posted so that you can see in person what my routine looks like and if that would be something that works for you. So definitely check out those videos. I'll have them linked below. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, please be sure to do that. I'm gonna have some really great videos coming out in the near future for you guys. I upload 1 to 2 new videos a week, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on those. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!